Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am taking part in a YouTube hop. This one is hashtag See Me Ya See. We were given license to make that however we wanted it, and it's also part of hashtag Makers Creative Collab. This is hosted by PM Artist Studio. That's Patricia and Mariah. They have a YouTube channel where they broadcast like 4 times a week, and it's really fun. Everybody that follows their live streams, they're very chatty. It's a lot of fun to participate. And they also have a Facebook page. It's the Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Facebook page. And they sell stencils. Like, that's their business, is selling stencils. And there's a lot of contributors to their stencils, and they just have a wide variety, and it's a lot of fun. And so, on to the YouTube hop. It was hashtag See Me Ya See. I don't know if you can read it there. SEA Me Ya See. I guess you didn't necessarily have to think of it as the sea or an ocean theme, but as I just got back from a vacation to Whidbey Island and Puget Sound, that was on the top of my mind. So I made waves. Do they look like waves? Some of them are a little shiny. They were supposed to be all different colors, but those look really close on camera. They're a little bit different. I might have to like shade. Anyway, okay. So when I saw this, I had this packaging, and it was a beach towel, and it said happiness comes in waves. So I'm like, I have to use that, right? So the packaging is kind of holding this little accordion book. Okay, it's not little, but it doesn't have a lot of pages. So I just covered it with, some jelly prints, and these are just jelly prints I already had. I do use some of their stencils in here because that's fun. And this is sea glass. I don't know if you can tell. I did paint over it because I had added glass gel beads, and that's glossy, and it lost its frosted look. So I did paint over that, and that's supposed to look like a beach. I mean, kind of, it doesn't even look like the same project, but it was fun. And yeah, it just holds it I guess it holds the accordion together, right? So there's the packaging, and I did print on the back just to cover up. I covered up all the advertisements except for happiness comes in waves. And then here it is. I've got a little beach scene going on, and this is one of their stamps. So fun. And this was just a handmade stamp that I created a long time ago. But it opens up. Let's see, which way do I want it to go first? We'll go this way. So just kind of fun with the beach. Using they have foam stamps that are shells and rocks, and I just came along like that. And then this is theirs, the seaweed's theirs as well, and the turtles. And then I actually created a journal page a long time ago with this diver coming after this poor little fish. And so I color copied it and put it on for that. And then this side is another jelly print. This was a plant print, but it kind of looks like seaweed, doesn't it? So I thought it would make a good ocean floor. So we've got stuff on the surface and stuff down in the ocean. And my ugly fish, that's all, this is a photocopy, but it was all jelly printed. And then I added some paint enhancements for it for now. And then we've got jellyfish. And I used broken aqueous. It's hard to tell because it's really similar in color, but that's what I did there. And yeah, I just had fun playing around. And this is another one of their stencils. Can't remember the name at the top of my head right at this moment. But I decided we would pretend those were sand dollars. And we've got a little mermaid here, another journal page that I cut out and stuck on. I was on vacation, so I had to do this one really quick, and the only thing I was thinking was I want to do waves. So anyways, it's a long accordion, and I'll show some pictures at the end. But don't forget, there's a link at the end of my video, and it will have the next person in the hop, and then you can just hop to each one as you want, or there's a list in the description box, so you can go there if you need to and click on the link to the next person and check them out. So many different varieties, and they're probably all going to be completely different. I think they have been every time, because all we get is the hashtag, and we're just told to, you know, go take it and run with it. So that's what we did. I think my fence is my favorite part. And my beach scene. So anyways, I hope you liked that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I will have a process video eventually go out on how I put this together and maybe some of the stenciling that I did. Anyways, if you are interested in following me, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that link and see the next video. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.